It's Margarita, and we are taking it back to Millie Cosmetics. Now, back in March, I did a Millie haul. In fact, I did a feature of women-owned businesses on Etsy, and Millie made it to my #1 spot of favorite shops on Etsy, period. That said, she's got 4 new scents that I cannot wait to tell you about. Just so you know, these items were gifted to me by Millie, but it was not expected. We were chatting about some things, and I was like, oh, she's gotten great new scents. And I had put some scents in my my cart to purchase. And she ended up sending me the scents that were in my cart. I didn't know they were coming until they just came in the mail a couple days ago. And I'm like, oh my God, how sweet, how generous. So I did want to let you know, while this is not particularly sponsored, I did get these items without paying for them myself. That said, it is not going to bias my review about any of them. Let's get started. #1. Bomb Pop. Now this one is a limited edition fragrance. After July 4th, this will be discontinued. Let me tell you, if you have ever tasted a popsicle on a hot day, this is so photorealistic. It smells just like the syrup that goes into an icy or a snow cone. That is what this smells like. I also own Firecracker Pop by Bath and Body Works, and this Millie's version smells better. The Firecracker Pop is not as photorealistic. It actually even has an after bite to it, and a more of a fluffy scent. It's not so syrupy sweet, and it even has a little bit of floral touches to it. However, the Bomb Pop, whoo, it smells identical to the syrup you would drink. It smells like a melted popsicle, and I am here for it. You have to get this before July 4th, or it will be discontinued. You can also save 20% on this and all the items that I'm going to tell you about today and other things in Millie's shop by using her promo code YUM20 on Etsy, and I will link her shop in the description below. But yes, Bomb Pop is the bomb. Now, the scent that even got me back in Millie's inbox was Cocoa Puffs, another new release, because I smelled Kriegler's caramel chocolate and I cannot get that scent out of my mind, and I want something that was so chocolatey that would help me forget about it, if you will. Cocoa Puffs. This smells just like the chocolate scented marker. Do you remember the scented markers that we would have, and people would have to tell us not to lick them because they smelled so realistic? This smells just like that. It smells just like the cereal milk from Cocoa Puffs or from Cocoa Krispies, and it smells really good. The scent sits very close to the skin. These are not projection monsters, but then again, these are also not parfums, but it will leave your skin lightly scented for a few hours. So I do like this. If Millie makes a perfume of this, I will be the first to get it. Choco Musk. If you like the scent by Al Rahab, Choco Musk, you will love Cocoa Puffs. These would layer wonderfully. For all you people who have a chocolate sweet tooth, look no further than Millie's Cocoa Puffs. Now, for those of us who like a nice unisex fragrance or a fresh or tropical fragrance, Passion Fruit Guava. I forgot to tell y'all. So I got the body icing, which is basically a lotion, but it leaves no greasiness on the skin so it doesn't mess up your clothes. And I got the body glaze. My personal favorite are the body glazes because I like to shine and be oily and greasy. And also the scents typically are louder and stronger in the oils versus the icings. But there's something, you know, for any preference. The Passion Fruit Guava, it smells like a tropical vacation. It smells like an umbrella drink. This is so great. This would smell amazing on a man. This would be great layered with pineapple dominant fragrances. Think Creed Aventus, or even something more tropical like Virgin Island water. Anything that smells like an umbrella drink, or anything that has a fruit dominant scent to it, would layer well with this. And this is Passion Fruit Guava. And lastly, we have Peach Mango. For those who want a straight up tropical, fruity to the core fragrance, this is the one. This would be great for children too. What I like about this one is peaches and mangoes tend to go musty in scent. This they managed to balance each other out. I do like that about this. This would layer very well with a coconut dominant fragrance. Think Tom Ford Soleil Blanc, Eau de Soleil Blanc, many of the Cheirosa perfumes from Sol de Janeiro. There's quite a few. It's a lot of coconutty tropical scents. You name them, feel free to layer with it. This would also layer well with a lot of Bath and Body Works fragrances. So if you have fragrances that are very just straight up fruity or just tropical, look at these. These are a great choice. They're handmade, small business, and I am here for it. Again, use discount code YUM20 to save 20%. I don't know how long this code will be valid, but it is not publicly advertised. Also, if you want to try that Bomb Pop, make sure you get it before the 4th of July because it will be going bye-bye after that. Let me know in the comments if you've tried any of Millie's items, if you've tried these new scents. I'd love to hear about it. I also did a haul in March featuring, her store was featured. And so if you want to know the lowdown on all her scents, I actually own every fragrance that Millie has, all the scents, and they are really good. Some I like more than others, but these are pretty good. And the Bomb Pop and Cocoa Puffs are my favorite from this new collection. Also, remember to like, comment, subscribe, and most of all, share this video with other fragrance lovers because it is my goal to grow this channel exponentially this year, and I need your help to do so, and every view counts. And until next time, I am Margarita, and you have an awesome day. Bye.